Welcome, and let's talk about Shiba Inu coin. Now, what is the worth of 50 million coins of Shiba Inu in 2025? Remember, whatever Shiba Inu coins you have, this will help you to know the worth based on statistics, based on Shiba Inu price prediction by professionals. Now, Shiba Inu is expected to lose between 1 and 2-0 before the end of 2025. Now, buying 50 million coins right now simply means you need to invest a total of $660 at the time of recording this video. Now, if Shiba Inu goes ahead and loses just 1-0 before the end of 2025, it simply means you must have earned $5,900 with your 15 million coins of Shiba Inu. By the time you remove your initial capital, you'll be making a profit of about $5,300. To me, that is a good investment. That's a good ROI, return on investment. Now, if Shiba Inu breaks our record and go to hit a fourth pump and loses 2-0 before the end of 2025, it simply means that your 15 million coins of Shiba Inu that you bought at the rate of $660 at the time of recording this video will be worth about $65,300. That is a huge profit. That is a huge gain for Shiba Inu holders. Okay, now that simply means Shiba Inu must have increased by 9,900%. Well, then Shiba Inu should be trading with 0.001229. That's to say that Shiba Inu must have deleted 2 zeros, and Shiba Inu trading with what? With 2 zeros. Remember that Shiba Inu actually, as of last year, October, Shiba Inu almost deleted 1 0. That means Shiba Inu would have been trading with 3 0 if not for cryptocurrency in general that actually dropped. Shiba Inu also dropped by almost 1,000%. Now, Shiba Inu is obviously expected to increase before the end of 2025. So Shiba Inu holders, all we need is patience. And one good thing I love about Shiba Inu is that Shiba Inu developers are actually doing well. I mean, many more companies are coming in to say, look, we are partnering with Shiba Inu, because they know that Shiba Inu have a large community. So accepting Shiba Inu by many companies is the next thing many companies have been doing. Shiba Inu have actually recorded more than 50 partnerships. Okay, now even within 2 months, Shiba Inu recorded more than 20 partnerships with different companies. So me, Shiba Inu is #1 crypto coins apart from BTC and Ethereum that have gained a lot of partnership in the past few months. That alone is going to affect the price of Shiba Inu later on. Now, by next year, we are expecting the price of Shiba Inu to massively increase in price, because Shiba Inu have all it takes to really increase in price. Now, by 2025, if you have 50 million coins of Shiba Inu, you are on your way of making over $65,000 profit. Yes, you can move to $65,000. To me, that is a whole lot. That is a lot of profit for Shiba Inu holders. Now, what about people that have about 100 million coins? You can see, so even if you have 10 million coins of Shiba Inu, if you have 1 million coins of Shiba Inu, you will still make good return on investment for yourself. So let's keep hoping that the price of Shiba Inu will keep pumping in the nearest future. Remember, this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Please kindly subscribe, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.